got to get a rebuild kit for this. This is a food service, so this has to be on here. So we're going to just put a temporary backflow protection on there tonight. Replace that. See where else we end up. All right, so for temporarily, that's what you're going to do.
Okay.
It's going to drip in there. It probably will take a long time for that to fill up. All right, we got a leaking condensate pump due to condensate going up into the attic. Attic is frozen. Got a little steamer deemer. All right, let's go over it. Let's make sense of it. So this is a steam boiler. Comes up and hits this header. Goes all through the house. There's a big loop all the way around the house. Okay, that's the coming back. So there's our returns. Our Hertford loop. So steam boiler's never dry firing. But as you can see, it just picks up supply and return. Pretty efficient system.